Hi guys, it's Bethany. Welcome back to my channel. I got in I think this is the third quarter of the Coffee Monster Co. Sub box, and I've been waiting all day to open it because I wanted to open it on camera. Hold on. I'm gonna have to cut this. So yeah, I wanted to open it on camera so that you can get my actual real, first impression. I think I saw some of these. Oh, okay, but I didn't know what the special gift was. And I just saw maybe some sneak peeks. So I'm excited to see what these are. Okay, so this was packaged by Mandy. I'm going to put this in my journal. Thank you, Mandy. Cute. I will get to the washi tape because that's always my favorite part. This is the little envelope. Try to be a rainbow in someone's cloud. That's so cute. And this is just an envelope that I guess you can mail something in or you could put in your journal. Love it. Cute. I got it. Oh, these are so cute. Oh my gosh. I love these. Look how cute. This is a little clip of a pen and another fountain pen. Let's see what it looks like. My Hobonichi cousin. Look how cute. So like this, or like this. That's adorable. They're like acrylic, really good quality. Those are so cute. I cannot wait. I will definitely be using those. That's worth it just for that. That is so cute. Let's get into what's in here. I got the pen pal, so it comes with this. Well, here's the entire thing. The snail mail, washi wizard, and pen pals. I got the pen pals. Okay. Let's see what's in here. I love the die cuts because I was hoarding them and now I'm just putting them all over everything because they're so cute. This says keep learning. This is a die cut. That's what the back looks like. So cute. This is her on, I guess, a bunch of planners, or the emoji on a bunch of planners. That's adorbs. This is the washi card, which we'll save to put with the washi. Let's see. So this is the symbol buttons. Cute. These are on washi paper, I believe. Yeah. Large science doodles. I remember thinking like I'm not like crazy about the whole science theme, but confused emojis. Look how cute. It's like, huh? What? Puzzled, no clue, and hit a brick wall. Cute. Paper writing process. So if you write it all draft, or just if you're just getting stuff done. And school notes, which I'm not in school, but I could still use those in my spreads. That's cute. Is that it? Yeah, that's it, plus the washi. Okay, well, let's see what the washi looks like then. These are always so cute. I literally could care less what they are every single month. Like I said, I used to hoard them, but I don't do that anymore. This is the card. Cute. Now I just use them. Okay. This is the first washi. This must be the classroom chalkboard. Yeah. Because it's 18 millimeter. If I could open it. Okay, let's put a little bit of this on the washi card. So cute. Look at that. That's so cute. I like these bigger washi. I feel like I use them more than... Oh, look, and it's like note paper on the back. That's so cute. So there's dot grid on the front and lined paper on the back. That's adorable. Oops. Okay. So there's that one. Cute. Here's another big one, which must be... Oh, no, this is the chalkboard. Doodle. What was the other one then? Nerdy Notes, I guess. Because, yeah, a little bit bigger. It's 20 millimeter, and this is 18 millimeter. I like these black and white washies. Okay. And this is like not really black. It's kind of like a chalkboardy gray. Look how cute. Adorbs. I love that too. Okay. I mean, I can't think of one washi that I've ever gotten where I was like, oh no, I don't like that. But there's some that I like more than others, but I can't think of one that I haven't liked. I think they're all adorable. There's that one. And this is the blue. I don't know what that is. Oh, this is the vertical. So, Sparkly Space. This has silver. Can you see the silver in it? Hold on. I don't know how I feel about vertical washi. I use it, but see, it's got a silver. Oh, that's so cute. That is really cute. I'll use that. Usually her vertical washi comes in a much thinner strip, but that is absolutely adorable. Love that. And the final washi is this one, which is the Nerdy Doodles 10 millimeter washi. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not like big on the whole science school theme, but I get it. It's like back to school and makes sense. Doesn't really apply to me, and I'll still use it because it's cute. Oops. My other ones were doing this, which is kind of making me mad. But there's so much washi on here. Oh, look how cute. Adorable. Okay, so thank you guys so much for opening this box with me. I have been waiting all day to open it. I'm glad I waited. I did not know there was acrylic little clips in there. I love that. I think that's so cute. I really love it. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and we will see you again really soon. Okay, have a good day. Bye.